Hey YouTubers, JDCap26 here. We just do the repair and tips, and we're going to start this video, and of course we're going to start it by we had to make a collet for this 395 Dremel to fit the coat hanger. This one would not fit; it was too loose, so we sanded it with the drum sander and by hand, and we got it to fit the inside diameter of the Dremel tool. Attached to the coat hanger here, and it fits the Dremel tool as we want it to, with some tension, so this is nice and tight. Next, we're going to cut off some of this right here, probably about to there, to fit the cup. Okay, we cut it off to length, and we measured the cup and with that piece. And these cutters do very well. If you want cutters to cut wire or piano wire or anything like that, get a pair of these. You'll really come in handy for you. So now we're measuring the bottom of the cup here, and I usually like to measure it in millimeters. It looks like it's just under shy 49 millimeters, so that's the width. The outer diameter is about 50 millimeters. We drew it out with the knife, and we're going to drew it out with the pen, and we're going to cut it out with the knife right here, and I'll show you that next. So we're scoring several times across the line like this with the knife, and then it snaps off. So we scored a set of lines here and here, and you have to really cut down into the mat and make sure it goes through. Okay, I'll show you what the purpose of that is for. We slipped it onto the coat hanger, straight piece, and through the slots here. I think I'm going to apply some crazy glue there and make it a more permanent fixture. I may even put tape over it. So we put some tape over that, and we're just going to trim it up like right there. Just cut it off, and doing this one-handed. And once you get the resin on there, it'll coat it pretty much after it dries, and it'll keep that paddle on. We have the cup, and we're got some resin in there. We'll make believe we have some resin in there, and we turn it on. And of course, it's going to spin like that. You have to hold it, okay? And because it's creating air volume now, so you just mix your resin up, and it goes till you can get to the bottom, because it'll clear the bottom because the width is cut properly. And this is for a solo cup, so going to spin like that. So you're going to hold the cup while you mix, and we'll show it to you like this. Kind of slight action to it, back and forth. So you may want to use a bigger cup to mix your resin, but it'll work. It'll mix it up nice and smoothly and everything else. So I wanted to show you that, making this sort of like paint store, mini paint store, and I hope this helps you some way, and you have a great day and you enjoy my videos. Please rate, subscribe, and share my videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.